Do you know, Africa's deadliest hunter isn't a lion or even a hyena. It's a predator most people have never heard of. The African wild dog. A hunter so efficient, its success rate reaches nearly 90%, making it the most lethal land predator on Earth. But the real terror isn't its bite force alone. It's how it hunts. Built for endurance, these dogs can run at high speeds for miles without stopping, slowly exhausting prey before the final attack. Their jaws aren't the strongest in raw pressure, but they're engineered for rapid tearing, razor-edged premolars designed to slice flesh fast, not crush bone. And unlike big cats that suffocate prey, wild dogs start consuming while the prey is still alive, minimizing escape chances and maximizing feeding speed before scavengers arrive. What makes them unstoppable is pack intelligence, coordinated attacks, role assignment, and silent communication during chases. Some drive prey, others ambush, turning hunts into calculated executions. Even more brutal, they target the weak, injured, or young, maintaining ecosystem balance through selective predation. In the wild, survival isn't about strength alone, it's about efficiency. And no land predator executes hunts faster or smarter than the African wild dog. Subscribe now to unlock the next deadly evolution secret.